Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. This video is so special for beginners on print on demand business to know how to create beautiful text designs on PowerPoint. And you can consider this video as a super easy guide of how to create attractive designs as beautiful as you can create them on professional softwares like Illustrator, Photoshop, or any other websites like Canva, VistaCreate, and so on. In addition, you can use any font you want and your design will be with a transparent background. So let's go together to PowerPoint to find out how to create beautiful designs that sell well. Let's go. And now let's begin with opening a new PowerPoint file. Okay. First of all, we have to customize the dimensions of your design from this option, design, then go to this slide size, custom slide size, custom dimensions, and here you will find the dimensions here in centimeters or inches. So if we want to create our design in dimensions in pixels, for example 5000 for width and height, so we have to get help from an external website that is unitconverters.net. Okay, we can type here 5000, okay, and we can take these dimensions in centimeters, copy back to our design on PowerPoint. We can change these dimensions in centimeters, okay, paste, and the same for high. Perfect. Okay, maximize. Perfect. Okay, just remove these boxes. Perfect. And here we can create our text-based designs for any niche like cats, dogs, Christmas, Halloween, and so on. So today, for example, we can create our design which is about nurses, okay, with a quote, nursing is a work of art, okay. So we can create our text-based design here. Go to this insert, text box, okay. Perfect. And here we can type, we can change this size for 8. We can type here nursing, for example. We can make it bigger. We can for 600. Perfect. For center, as you see. Okay, and here we can change its font from this option, as you see here. Great variety of fonts. Okay, perfect collection of fonts you can use for your design. I can take this Algerian, okay. And as I said before, you can upload your font that you have downloaded from any website. And if you're wondering how to get free fonts for commercial use, I have talked about this point and you'll find this video below in the first comment, okay. And to upload this font for your PowerPoint and for your design, for example, this font, okay, just extract file, very quick, okay, and just install, okay. And here you can install this font on your office, okay. So we can save it, okay, close, open it again, and here we can search for our new font, okay, from this one we can comic word, as you see here, okay. Perfect one. Back to our Algerian, okay. And now it's time to make some effects to this text, okay. We can make it bold, as you see here, italic, underline, and so on. And you can click over this format, and here you will find these options like text fill, and you can change its color for any other solid color like blue, yellow, gray, and so on. Okay, or you can fill this text with a picture or a texture you have on your device. For example, you can browse, okay, downloads, like this image, for example, as you see here. Okay, okay, undo. Or you can fill the text with some gradient colors, okay, like this one. Okay, as you see here, many options, or more gradient. Okay, and here you will find this right panel. Okay, in text options you can gradient fill. Okay, and here we can select some colors in this text. For example, we can select this color for black. Okay, and the next one for red. Okay, and here we can change it. Perfect one, as you see here. Perfect. In this option, picture to or texture fill, as we said before, we can upload any picture, any texture you have on your device, okay, to fill this text, okay, or you can pattern fill, and so on. Okay, back to these options, text outline, and here you can make outline of your text, okay, with any color, green, white, blue, and so on. Okay, in these text effects, shadow, reflection, okay, glow, as you see here, 3D rotation, as you see, transform, we can make some curvature of your text, as you see here. Okay, in nursing word, this one, we can choose this effect. Perfect. For example, okay, we can make it some changes in this gradient. Okay, text options. Okay, we can change this one for red. Okay, okay, perfect. And now if we want to add a heart vector to our design, so we can use a website that provides us free vectors for commercial use, like freesvg.org, okay, or publicdomainvectors.org, okay, and many other websites. Okay, and here in this public domain vectors, we can download any vector in SVG format, then we can convert it to a transparent PNG by using this website, svg to png.com. okay, or we can use directly free SVG, so we can download any one of these heart vectors like this one or like this one. Okay, small PNG. Perfect. Back to our design, insert, pictures. Okay, very easy. Download our transparent PNG. Okay, awesome. Perfect. Perfect. And here we can add some heartbeats. Okay, we can use this awesome website, Curiosella. Okay, we can search for heartbeat. For example, for personal and commercial use without any attribution, heartbeat. Okay, we can choose anyone like this one. Okay, open source for personal and commercial use. Download with these dimensions. Download. Okay, back to our design. Insert pictures, our heartbeat. Okay, as you see here, perfect one. Can make it a little bigger. Okay, we can Control D, duplicate, and beautiful one. Perfect. Nursing is, so we can add here inside our heart is, so we go to this insert text box. Okay, can make it bigger like this one. Is, as you see here, we can make it bigger, 200. Perfect. Okay, nursing is, we can make it bigger if you want to be more clear, like 300. It's better. Perfect. Nursing is a work of heart. Okay, so we can add insert also text box. Okay, text box, can make it bigger like 500. A work. Okay, we can change its font like comic, the font we have downloaded, comic world. Okay, as you see here. Perfect. Nursing is a work. Perfect one. Nursing is a work of just we insert another text. Okay, we can type here heart. Okay, perfect one. Center, bold. Okay, we can change its font like Algerian, as you see here. Okay, we can make its color red. Perfect. Here you go. Nursing is a work of heart. Perfect. And now we have to select all these elements, okay, and these texts, as you see here. Perfect. Right click, save as picture. Okay, downloads. You can change its name, for example. Make sure that PNG portable network graphics format, PNG with transparent background. Okay, save. Perfect. Let's find out. As you see here, our design of nursing is a work of heart. Okay, perfect, with transparent background. Okay, perfect. And now we reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you on the next video, and goodbye.